I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to beautiful Etobicoke, 51 Kylemore Crescent. It's a gorgeous, very large split level with a 2-car garage on a premium corner lot. "51 Kylemore Crescent shows you the virtues of a large side split home. It's been very well kept by the same family over many years. It's got 2 kitchens, beautiful mid-level family room area, and a finished lower level basement with a second kitchen and full bath. Let me show you a few more details of the interior of this excellent home. You've seen the main floor with its upgraded kitchen, the upper level with its large semi-ensuite bath. The side split layout offers you a mid-above grade level with a large family room, separate entrance, another bedroom, bathroom, and an entrance to the finished lower level. What's the most beneficial thing about this particular level, if you're a larger family, the windows are large and above grade. There's plenty of natural light. Welcome to the finished lower level of this home. It features a full bathroom, a very large cold cellar, absolutely massive storage space below that mid-level that we went to look at, and this very large eating kitchen and live-in area. Thank you for taking a tour of 51 Kylemore Crescent, this incredible Etobicoke home. It's actually been owned by the same family since it was built for 57 years. So if you're looking for a fantastic home, large split level type design with a premium lot in Etobicoke, come and have a look at 51 Kylemore Crescent. You can reach me, Eric Mattei, at matteirealty.ca.